guys, I hope you're all well. Just want to say I'm really missing you lots and hopefully we can be back soon. So today I thought I'd make a little bird feeder that you can hang on your tree outside in your garden, and it's really simple and really easy to do. So all you need is some bird seed, a toilet roll tube and some honey, and then you can add some string at the end to hang on the tree. So first what you need to do is get your honey and make sure it's nice and runny, and grab a spoon or a spatula and just brush it onto the toilet roll all over the outside of it, and make sure there's plenty on it so that the bird seed sticks. So it's just as easy as this. Almost done. There we go. And if there is any bits of excess, you can just brush that off. So next what we need to do is we get our bird seed and we're just simply going to roll it in and get it all nice and covered. And there you have it. So all you have to do is leave it on a bit of newspaper to dry, and then that should be good to go in a little while, and then you can hang some string around it and then put it on the tree. So it's just a little thing for the birds. So see you guys soon.